In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform the best push-up for beginners. Here's a good beginner variation, the wall push-up. Start with your hands high. The higher the incline, the less the difficulty. This is great for those who are overweight, weak in the upper body, or new to fitness. Notice the proper form. Neck is in neutral spine. Hands are about shoulder width apart, elbows tuck in, core tight, flat back. The wider the feet, the more balance you will have. The closer the feet, that will slightly increase intensity due to imbalance. See how I'm going slow. It's about quality, not quantity. The goal here is to engage all the muscles that are working right now. Bad form risks injury. Remember that. You want to exhale on the way up, and you want to inhale on the way down. Keep that core tight, but keep breathing. As you can see, I'm not risking my form. If form is compromised whatsoever, take a break. Next, we have knee push-ups. Knee push-ups are optional, in my opinion, for beginners. I rather do the different levels like the previous clips. Knee push-ups can put extra discomfort on your knees. That's bad for the joints. I have a knee problem. I'd rather avoid that. You can also slide down your mat or slide down the ground as you're doing these. But they are very famous, very popular, and if done correctly, are great to get you to where you want to be in your push-ups. So those are some of my coaching cues when I'm working with somebody and teaching them how to do a proper push-up. The idea is you want to stay safe. You want to joint stack. What does that mean? Remember in the video how my elbow was above my wrist and everything's in lines? Well, keep that in mind when you're doing any performance of a exercise. That's to keep your joints healthy and safe at all times and avoid chronic injury. So hopefully this video helps bring down that intimidation factor of starting out with push-ups. I understand that they can be quite challenging in the beginning, but as long as you stick to it and you're doing the proper motions, you will get there. So don't be discouraged, don't lose heart. Stay focused on your fitness and you will eventually become the new Arnold Schwarzenegger, all right? Just having some fun, guys. But seriously, enjoy your fitness and health while you can and get there. Like, just strive to be the best you can be, right? So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and see you next week. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much.